Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems on ages. Let us check the concepts. Problems on ages is a common topic in quantitative aptitude that deals with determining the current, past or future ages of individuals based on the given conditions or relationships. These problems are commonly featured in competitive exams and require logical reasoning and basic algebraic calculations. Okay. Let us check the key concepts. They will be giving problems with respect to 4 categories. The first one is age relationships. Here the problems often involve relationships between ages of 2 or more people. For example, person A is twice as old as person B. This is one example. Next is with respect to time shifts. That is, questions may refer to past or future ages requiring adjustment in the time frame. For example, they may say the ratio of the ages from 10 years back was so and so and the present ages will be this much. So they will be asking to calculate the ages at present. Next is ratios and proportions. Some problems may involve age ratios, that is the ratio of A's age to B's age is 3:2, something like this. Next is combined ages, that is the sum or difference of ages may be provided as a clue. Okay. With this introduction, let us start solving the problems. Okay, we shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.